This is McBond right here reporting for the Returnees channel once more. Today I'm inside Gbawe, okay? Inside Gbawe to be precise. It's in Accra, the capital city of Ghana, and I'm going to shoot the environment. Going to take you through the whole environment so that we have a closer look at how it looks like, and basically take you around the whole place. It's not a bad place actually. It's a very nice environment, looking very good, very nice and sleek. So today I just want to take everybody, the Returnees channel, take everybody around so we have a closer look at how things are working out here, how better we can still see the whole place and have fun. Yes, it's a very nice environment, and I would want everybody to come close to me. Let's just have fun with the whole place. And you know, it's the Returnees channel shooting for my boss. Just like I've always said, I want to take everybody on this beautiful journey in Gbawe. So without much less ado, I want to take everybody in. Let's go. This is the Returnees channel. Okay, so shooting for the Returnees channel, we're about to go around the whole place and just have a closer look at how Gbawe looks like. Okay, so I want to take it from here. Gradually we'll go through it just like I introduced. We're shooting for the Returnees channel, and I want to just take everybody on a ride inside Gbawe. Okay, it is actually a city or a town in the Greater Accra region. Okay, and I want to just take everybody around so we can have a closer look at the whole place, how it looks like. This is how some of the houses around here looks like. We have something like a mountainous area, semi-mountainous area I can say. It looks like a mountainous area, and I would want everybody to come close so we go through it. This is how exactly the place looks like, and we are shooting for the Returnees channel today, and it's precisely looks something like this. Okay, so I want to climb up so that we have a closer look at how it feels and it looks like when going up the hill. It's going to be a tough one, but then we'll climb it and have a closer look at it. So this is how the place looks like from a distance. Okay, so let's go on a journey and just try to climb and have a feel of the whole place. It's just a skinny road, very tiny road that I'm actually treading on. I need to be very careful so I don't get into the hole. So yeah, let's just go closer and have a look at the whole place. Okay, so this is how it looks. Not too bad if you take the shot from here, how the whole place looks like. Sorry about the sun. So this great Apostle Safo School of Art and Science. Wow, I've actually never been here before, but this is a great school. Like, you know, Apostle Safo, the one behind all the great invention and stuff in Ghana. Yeah, so this is actually his school, Apostle Safo School of Art and Science, and today we're here just taking a very close scene environment about the whole place. It's a beautiful place, and about the whole place, it's not a bad place. The great Apostle Safo School of Art and Science. This is a great school, beautiful school. We've seen it on TV, heard a lot about it on TV, and we're actually shooting out here for the Returnees channel. So we'll try and see if we can better still get close to the place and have a better shot about the whole place. So this is for the Returnees channel. We are here shooting for y'all in the diaspora to have a very close look at the whole. I'm still out here shooting for the Returnees channel, just like I've always done and I've always said. We have a beautiful store out here, very nice place, not too bad. So I'm just actually descending down the hill, and I have to go gradually so y'all can actually have the vibe about what I'm shooting. Okay, so you can see most of the houses do have numbers on them. So actually just like I don't know, but just like an address system. Oh, sorry about that cock stuff. Yeah, so we in Africa, we in Ghana, precisely we in Gbawe, in the Greater Accra region of Ghana, and we have very beautiful places out here, pretty nice houses, I can say. Not too bad from what we actually usually have in the cities and towns. So this is actually what we have here. Very beautiful place, I can say, with wider roads, not completed yet. They're still working on them, so we're still waiting for the authorities to come complete the road. And we can see very beautiful houses, you know, gated community, Every place looks wrapped up in it. This place is a very beautiful place, a very nice place to actually be. So if y'all want to have a place to stay, or y'all want to have a place you can live, I think this is a very better place that y'all can come to. So this is how it looks like. Very beautiful scene out here, not too bad. Neighborhood looks good. So we still continue to shoot out for the returnees channel. It's Prince McBond here. We're on the second section, beg your pardon, second section of the shoot, and this is like a different place, a different angle altogether. New place that is actually still part of Gbawe, to be precise. Okay, so I just want to take everybody up close. It's like a mountainous area. Okay, so we're gonna still climb up the mountain and then have a better view of the whole place. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so we're still gonna climb. I'll take you around. Not too familiar with the place. Actually, this is my first time ever coming out here, but yeah, still gonna do my best to cover up the whole place because I feel it is a nice place that is worth talking about, despite the fact that it is a mountainous area. I feel we still got to talk about it because it looks like a beautiful place, and I like them. Okay, I've been here a couple of times, but never been this close to the mountain, and I feel today is the right time that I actually cover something about this whole place because I like the neighborhood myself. So yeah, we're still walking on the journey. Okay, we're still pushing up, we're still recording for the returnees channel, just like I actually said in my first videos or my first previous videos. So this is how it looks like. Actually, so there's a car coming, we need to just give it out of the way. So we're still in Gbawe. Okay, this is how the whole place looks like. It's just a beautiful view with beautiful houses, very beautiful demarcation. We have every house in the right place from here. So this is actually how the place looks like from this angle. We're not actually at the top here, but we're still going to climb up. So I give you a closer view of the whole place. So I will actually keep climbing to the top. So I think we have a building here, some like a church or something like that, I don't know, but we'll still go closer and then we'll find out how the whole place looks like. So having a closer look at the whole place like this is what we see, this is what we have. So let's just proceed to the top and then we'll look at what it looks like from an angle from here. I think I've been here some time, and when I came around I didn't see this, some like these barristers out here, but I think we have it now. So shooting from here, and this is how the whole place looks like from the top. Very beautiful environment here at Gbawe, not too bad. Taking the shot from here, and I think I like the environment myself. Very much a mountainous area, not too bad from what I can say. And yeah, we have houses, buildings around. Well, just like we can see, there are some people working out here, like a church, that's like I said. And we'll proceed to the top. Good evening. So I just greeted a couple of people around, and this is how the whole place looks like. Okay, very beautiful place from this angle. So yeah, we decided to come through to come shoot a video because I think it's a beautiful school, a beautiful place with schools, a beautiful environment. So I just felt like, yo, we should just come through and then shoot the whole place and have a better view of the whole place. So this is actually a beautiful, serene area where I can say everything looks very beautiful, not too bad. And we decided to bring it out to the returnees channel so y'all can have a feel of how Ghana looks like. Beautiful place with stores, people moving around. Sorry about the sun though, but I believe this is a nice place y'all need to have a better close view of. So I'm shooting for the returnees channel, and we are Gbawe, to be precise, the greater Accra region, with a very beautiful house and beautiful environment. So let's just have a close walk through the streets, and we'll be back with a lot of comments about the whole place. It's actually not a bad environment though. So we have Safo School of Art and Science out here. It's a very beautiful neighborhood.